Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can download any video from Chrome. So let's get onto it. You're going to go to your Chrome browser and you are going to type in Video Downloader Professional Extension. Then you are going to go to on this first link that you find here. And then you're just going to simply click on this button here to add onto your Chrome. And then you're going to press here, add extension, and you're going to wait for a few seconds. And this here, it's come here. And then on to the next step is you need to go here and select this icon here to pin this icon in order for you to download the videos in a more simpler way. Now, as we can see here, let's try to download a video from here. I just need to refresh. Okay, now as you can see here, I have a wide range of videos that I can download easily thanks to this video download extension. So that is simply how you do it. As you can see, you'll just choose where you will want to save your video, and that is simply how it's done. If you found this content useful, consider subscribing, and thank you for your time.